Hi everyone, welcome to TaxVerge. It's a powerful tool that makes managing your customers and invoices simple and efficient. In today's video, we'll show you how to create an invoice for your customers. First, click on Dashboard from the homepage. This will take you to the Customers page. Then, select the customer you want to create an invoice for. Click on the plus button to create a new invoice. Then, start searching for the products you want to add to the invoice. I want to add 2 PS5 controllers, so I'll search for controller and select the quantity. For quantity, let's make it 2. You know what? Let's make it 3. Now we have 3 controllers in our invoice. Since we need a PlayStation 5 to use these controllers, and in my system I have added the console before the controllers, I'll copy the controller code and reduce the text code by 1. Voila! Now we have all the products we need in the customer's invoice. Let's scroll down to complete the payment. The customer has chosen to pay with a card. Select the card payment option to proceed. Then, enter the paid amount for the invoice. You can also add a note for the customer, which will be included in the invoice. Now, for the final step, click on Add Invoice to complete the process. As you can see, the invoice has been added successfully. And it's now ready to be printed. Click on the Print button at the bottom right corner of the invoice card. Congratulations, your invoice has been printed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so we can continue providing tips, tricks, and guides on how to use the system.